What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BBIG stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why this stock surged up for more than 27% during just one session. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that most likely from this range we might have a trend reversal and we might have this pullback in order to collect more steam to hit higher targets. Unfortunately, on pre-market session we have this massive movement to the upside for more than 23%. And definitely this movement was really huge and it is on the way to my target of roughly $3.87, but we have this reaction from the range of $3.2. And in my technical analysis I will show you why we have this stop at this range, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news and let me show you why we have this movement to the upside. Let me show you this article first of all. It was published just 2 hours ago on thestreet.com website and it says BBIG stock, why it rose 22% on Monday. BBIG shares soared over 22% during the March 21st trading session. What's making the stock rise? And let me quote you this. First of all, it is a potential short squeeze of this stock, and one of the main catalysts of a short squeeze is an increase in trading volume. This increase is usually driven by media exposure and the frequent mention of the ticker in Reddit threads. And let me show you that for now on stocktweets.com website, on the most active section, we have BBIG stock on the 6th place and it has basically enough messages during the last 24 hours, more than 3.4 thousand. And we don't have this ticker symbol in watchers section or in trending section. This means this asset still has some support from StockTweets community, but not so much. And let me show you the appwisdom.io website. This website tracks the activity from Wall Street Bets community related to certain assets. And let me show you that for now, Vinco Ventures is on the 14th place and it lost 7 rows during the last 24 hours. And it has 84 mentions right now. So it is still in the top 15 stocks, but it is losing its momentum. That's why we have to be cautious. So let's continue with this article. The BBIG ticker is the subject of a subreddit with more than 24,000 members. It's dedicated exclusively to supporting the stock. The most recent short squeeze took place in January 2022 when BBIG shot up 124% in 1 week. But since then, the stock has plummeted more than 50%. Short interest in Vinco Ventures has slightly waned. According to Morningstar data, the percentage of BBIG's float being shorted as of February 27th was 16.6% or 21.6 million shares. By contrast, back in January, 38.8 million BBIG shares were shorted. But another short squeeze could be in works. That's because BBIG's float is modest, with only 128 million shares. Based on the average daily trading volume over the last 3 months, 37 million. This implies on average approximately 28% of BBIG's float is traded daily. And the second reason why we have the huge movement to the upside is a YouTuber endorsement. And let me quote you this. A possible reason for recent increase in BBIG's trading volume may be due to well-known trader Trey Collins through his Trace Trade YouTube channel. A recent video indicated something big might happen to BBIG shares during the March 21st session. And let me show you this channel. Probably you know this person. and he has 391,000 subscribers. And here is his video that collected more than 64,000 views for the 24 hours period. And that's why this might be another catalyst. Basically, he was one of the promoters of this company to drive its price higher. So, and let's continue right here. According to Trey, the uptick in trading volume seen on March 18 signaled a technical bullish sign, a falling wedge pattern. This pattern implies that the downtrend for BBIG shares is losing steam and that a new uptrend is in sight. Finally, Trey hinted that the options chain for the stock shows an interesting bullish setup for April trading. However, keep in mind that BBIG is a highly volatile stock. Investors who do not have much tolerance for risk should avoid this kind of investment. And I completely agree with this last statement, because if you don't know how to handle all the losses and all potential profits and where you should put your stop loss or take profit orders, in this case you have to stay aside from any trades of these highly volatile assets. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the bigger picture and let me switch to 4 hours time frame. Right here, as you can see, we have the previous swing high that is our next range of resistance, potential range of resistance, and it is our price target from the entry point, potential entry point for more than 66.87%. And I have to say that from my previous video, this asset went higher from its recent point for more than 20%. And why we stopped right here? Let me show you this tool. It is a Fibonacci retracement tool, and if I pull this tool from this swing high to this swing low, as you can see, we have very good reaction from the golden pocket pattern. And this pattern statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal, and statistically we have to have some kind of reaction from this range in order to collect more steam and probably hit higher targets. And definitely that is why this asset stopped right here, and that is why we have to be very cautious with the next leg. So, what should we expect next? Technically, we have this massive gap, and if the support from retail communities, from Wall Street Bets community and from Stock Tweets community will be lower than it was previously, and if huge YouTubers like Trey won't shield this stock, definitely this stock by itself doesn't have enough fundamentals to hit higher targets, despite of its good position with Lomotive in Indian market and despite of the potential spin-off of Cryptide. Definitely it is still on the table, but it is not enough for these massive movements. That is why the only reason why the stock is soaring is the support from retail community, and that is why you have to be cautious. So what should we expect next? In my opinion, it is still very tricky and near to impossible to make any breakdown according to Elliott wave theory. That's why we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool for now from this bottom to this entire wave to this top. And technically we have again the same levels. First level is 0.32 at the price point of $2.76. Next one is $2.6. It is the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.5, and the golden pocket. Again, the golden pocket, the most probable range of trend reversal. This means if we will go lower from this range, this might be your accumulation point, but only if you believe that this asset will continue its run to the upside to hit my previous target of $3.9, roughly this range. And otherwise, we might see the diminishing volume, and definitely we will see lower price action. And if you want to invest in this particular point, it is very risky to do so, because from this range we might easily hit lower targets and you will be in red for a significant amount of money, for more than 20% to this golden pocket. And that's why you have to be very cautious. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.